article published sa Philippine Star, pahayag ni Mayor Benji Magalong tungkol sa balibalita na may kudita. Paglilinaw ng alkalde, walang kudita but mayroong prostration ng mga active and retired AFP personnel. Ulitin ko, mayroong prostration. But kudita, sabi niya, wala. Ito ang title sa article, Magalong no ko, just prostrations. As rumors swirl that he is being eyed to head a civilian military junta, Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong yesterday said there is no brewing coup, although he acknowledged discontent within the armed forces of the Philippines, particularly among retired and junior officers. Active yan yung junior officers. He was quick to dispel fears of any imminent unconstitutional action, attributing the unrest to patriotism of retired and active members of the uniformed services rather than political ambition. I myself have personal experience, Magalong bared during an interview on the Star's Truth on the Line, referring to conversations and encounters that shed light on the prostrations brewing within the retired and active military and police circles. But he emphasized that these sentiments are not politically driven. The prostrations stem from the love of country. Wow, this is good news. Ang ating mga men and women in uniform, hindi sila bulag. Nakikita nila kung ano ang pangyayari at there is discontent. Frustrated sila. Pag-amin nga ng Chief of Staff, General Browner, yes, there is anger among the men and women in the armed forces. Kailang hanggang doon lang yon. Huwag na kayong mag-ano pa ng kudita, kasi ako personally, hindi rin ako pabor sa isang kudita dahil naranasan ko na po ang kudita noong December of 1989, nakasama ako, at hindi talaga maganda both para sa sundalo, sa kanyang pamilya, lalo na sa ating bansa. So okay na tayo nito, ang mga sundalo natin, kapulisan, nagmamasid at hindi sila maligaya sa nangyayaring talamak na korupsyon sa ating bansa. That's good. While he acknowledged the tensions, Magalong was firm in his belief that the AFP remains a professional institution bound by democratic principles. Agree ako niyan. Meron akong kaibigan sa US 2 weeks ago. Sir, bali-balita may kudita daw. Sabi niya, sinagot ko siya, personally hindi ako maniniwala na mayroong kudita. Bakit? Kasi ang AFP nakaranas na yan. The AFP has learned its lessons sa dami ng kudita nung Cory administration. It's not good. Kaya I agree with Mayor Magalong na wala talagang mangyaring kudita. The AFP, sabi niya, Mayor Magalong, the AFP will never act outside the law, he said, unless there is a very compelling reason. Okay, this is good. Depende. Sa ngayon, wala pang very compelling reasons. I agree. Kailan kung meron na talaga yung gipitan na, sana hindi tayo aabot sa ganong punto. Yung no choice na ang AP kundi gumalaw. Sa ngayon kasi okay pa. May ginagawa naman ng gobyerno, nag-iimbestiga kailang kulang pa rin yung mga imbestiga nila. So hanggang frustration na lang muna, hanggang galit. Lalanan yung ating mga men and women in uniform, they are humans too. Hindi sila bulag, pipi at bingi. Nakikita nila kung ano ang nangyayari. They are one with us. Kailang hindi talaga pwede yung gagawa sila ng labag sa konstitusyon. Okay, so this is good Ulitin ko, sabi ni Mayor Magalong, the AFP will never act outside the law unless there is a very compelling reason. Magalong's comments come amid growing speculation on social media and in political circles regarding possible unrest within the military as the nation is beset by various national controversies, especially the flood control scandal. Security experts have noted rising political noise in recent months, but no confirmed threat has been identified. Okay. So ano pa? The Department of National Defense and the AFP leadership have also repeatedly affirmed their loyalty to the Constitution and civilian authority. Okay, ito yung isang issue ngayon sa AFP. Yung nabulgar sa budget deliberation, may ilang billion ba yan? Correct me if I'm wrong. 15 billion ata para sa mga infrastructure programs for the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Pangalan ata, TICAS, infrastruktura. Budget, hawak ng DPWH para sa kasundaluhan, barracks, other infrastructure. Niloloko na naman itong DPWH. Ang iba, ghost project. Ang iba, hindi pa natapos. Report ng DPWH, completed na. Ay talagang magagalit ang AFP niyan. Yan ang isang ano ngayon. Yan ang isang plus point. Sana ito paano ma-resolve kasi sa budget deliberation nandun si Secretary of Defense Gilbert Chodoro, nagtatanong si Senator Erwin Gatchalian. Nako, naisiwalat talagang ang DPWH, ang corruption ng DPWH, hindi lang flood control projects, kasama na ang mga infrastruktura para sa mga sundalo. Niloloko nila ang kasundaluhan, kaya galit ang kasundaluhan natin sa mga ganyang ginagawa ng gobyernong ito. So I hope hindi mauwi ito sa unconstitutional na pamamaraan, kasi nga personally naka-experience na ako kudita noong 1989. Talunan ang lahat, walang mananalo sa isang kudita. Kaya huwag nyo nang isipin tungkol sa kudita. At salamat sa mga kasundaluhan, kapulisan na nagmamasid. Hanggang dyan na lang. Walang gagawa labag sa konstitusyon. Salamat.
Hinintay niyo dumabas yung tao eh. And then pagka panalo na, doon kayo lalabas. O de opportunista rin kayo. Kaya nga gago eh. Kaya walang-wala. Kaya gustong-gusto ng administration yung ganitong setup. Mananalo sila kasi ang gusto nyo, gamitin yung taong bayan. Para lang kayo, pagka nandyan na, lilitaw na. Tsaka kayo lilitaw. Para kayong Inday, gusto nyo Inday Sara kayo eh. Lilitaw lang Inday Sara pagka panalo na. Iba si Inday Sara. We have to protect her. Because they are after her. Malinis ang Inday Sara. At yung narrative na yung mga Pilipino naniniwala kayo, tarantado si Inday Sara, magnanakaw, etc. etc. Doon kayo sa Malacanang, defend Malacanang. At magpatayan na lang tayo. You see, sa demonyo itong administration na to, this is worse than the father. Worse than the father. Kaya, he will use everything at his disposal. Ngayon, nagbayaran na kunyari. Nagbayaran na. O hawak niya yung mga general. Ang problema nga, kami alam namin na kahit hawak mo yung general, yung mga commander mo, meron diyang matino pa rin. Ngayon, kung hindi kayo lilitaw at hindi namin kayong hihintayin lumitaw, we will retire all of you. We will disband all of you. Ganun kasimple.